All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of CHE Racing. It's been a while since I did a video or an upload, but now we have Josh with us, and then he's got his ND. So there's gonna be more content on the channel with that, with this. But we're gonna start off with this, with the great, fantastic news. It went from a 6-speed to a 5-speed today. We lost third gear when him and I were doing a pull. And of course, I was about to win.
The only time Miata's gonna be faster than your car.
The only time. So we're in the process of trying to find a transmission now. I guess you found one on eBay?
That's right.
All right, so possibly eBay. We can order it, have it shipped here. I don't know what was the shipping called again?
That was free, but it was economy. So
economy shipping. I don't know what the hell that is, but it's a thing. So we're gonna do. We've already went down there. We removed the drive shaft, and then the pipe, and then we were having an issue with one of the bolts. If you take one of these off yet, they're always screwed up. Almost said a bad word. They're always messed up. So we have that out as of now. We're gonna try to do a time lapse. I got the other cameras all set up, and it's kind of dark out here, but we're trying to work when it's not 115 out. But we got to get inside and drop or pull the interior pieces off and all that stuff. So you can see what you can see. If not, we're just gonna stop and start on this tomorrow.
It feels unnatural.
It does it.
So, this is the last one. I think it's the last one. Five.
Alright, hold on, let's see.
Let's see if we did get them all. Is there anything out there?
Yeah, I think it's
Not really good spot to get here. How strong is your...
what is that?
This is what I found for a pry bar. I mean, it'll do...
Oh.
Language, bro.
Edit. Put a little censorship.
Again.
That wasn't far. I said censorship.
Oh.
That wasn't a bad word.
I thought I heard an F-bomb.
Yeah.
Oh, son, this is working.
What?
This is working just fine.
Sure.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Yep, we're almost out.
What?
We're almost out.
This is what I was talking about, boy. This is what I was talking about.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Alright, let me get over there with you.
Mm-hmm. So, I can do this and balance the back, but I can't really do anything up there. Hmm?
It's gonna go. Oh shit.
All right.
Yeah. All right. You can get your hand up.
Mm-hmm.
All right, pull my hand up. All right. This is why I was supposed to drain it. Forgot. I did have to drain it.
Well, thank God for these floors, right?
Yep. This is about $60 worth of fluid.
Yeah.
I don't want to drag this all across. Do you have it on you?
Yeah, it's on my hand. Well, what's up?
I don't want to like walk all the way across here to go.
Crap, I don't exactly know how we're gonna do this one.
Huh?
Oh, did you already get the shifter turret out? You did. Oh no, you didn't. Look behind me.
Yeah.
It's a long transmission. Yeah, how do we do it? How do we roll this? You wanna roll it toward me now?
Okay. Oh, I can't.
Yeah, I
It's
know.
gonna come back. Come back. There we go.
Oh, scratch.
Oh, I'm an idiot.
Do you want to just grab another little piece of box and throw it here while I lift this?
Yeah.
Oh, your hands.
Yeah.
Go. Oh, we can do more? Falling.
We're pouring
Oh, I
oil,
know.
son.
That's okay.
I'm so stupid.
It's too late to
Oh,
screw
yeah,
it
we don't.
now.
We don't want them.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, no.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, well, maybe can we twist it again?
Oh.
Hold on. Oh, yeah, yeah. Clean that shit up. Stuff up.
Oh. Oh, it's going everywhere.
Well, it's slowing down, fortunately.
Oh, that's not gonna go under. God. So
Well,
stupid.
Here. If we can... Is this shifter turret going to clear the car?
Huh?
Is this shifter turret going to clear the car?
Maybe. Let's try.
We can't... I think it'll fit this way. I'm taking the bolts out the top.
Oh, dude, this is everywhere.
Oh, man, son, that's going to be close. We might be lifting that side of the car again. I think we are.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Yeah. Whew.
I'm not helping you now. I don't know if we're going to clear. If we do, we're just barely going to. Oh, we're just barely not.
Huh?
We're just barely not going to clear. Oh, did it clear?
Yes, sir.
Dang. That's probably like a millimeter away.
I want to get this lifted up.
For the trans?
Mm-hmm. Lift it up on the side so the oil stays inside.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Nothing there. All right, so the battery died on the other GoPro. I don't know how much it caught when we were taking this thing out, but stupid me, I forgot to drain the transmission. So now we have a nice big oil pile shaped like a gentleman's sausage, huh? Come right from underneath it, and it was just barely enough to be able to slide it out from under here. We thought we were gonna have to jack it up, but it took like what maybe 2 hours.
Yeah, it would honestly probably take an hour and 15 minutes if we didn't have one bolt need to be dremeled and chiseled and you name it.
Yeah, but now it's time to clean this stuff up. But there it is. Came right out. So if anybody's in the market for a transmission, a 5-speed conversion, hit me up.